Say good morning. We found our campsite here in Houston Mesa Campground in Payson. And there's Ginger and Daddy. And our campsite is behind the bathroom. So let's set up our tent here in the middle. They have more flat surface.
What's that?
Oh, I'm vlogging right now. Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
This is our yurt. We're gonna build it soon. Almost done. Almost done. Halfway done. Or almost done. Not halfway. We just need to put this post in the middle and the vista view. Vista view?
Vestibule.
Yeah. Vista view. Almost done. Peekaboo.
Ah!
Now it's up. So we just need to put this one somewhere.
Hang on. Don't
Yeah.
One of the.
You're ermitanyo.
Okay.
But the red or the one you just bought?
Something I can sit on. Put the little ones.
Alright, let's get the new chair.
I was thinking those little ones. This is our hairless tent.
Yeah. So this is the receiving area where you're gonna change your shoes.
Also known as the vestibule.
Vestibule. Vestibule. So this is the inside. It's big, very big. Ginger. And we put our chimney over here.
This
So
is
you
not.
like our camp? What is this? Our pool? You wanna dance?
No.
So our bathroom is close to our camping site. And we have a good bathroom. We have a real bathroom. So we have a plug over here. We can charge our phone. It's clean bathroom. And it's very close to our campsite. Ginger is crying. This is the final setup. How'd you like it? It's big. It's big for 2 people and 1 dog. Here there's a pocket for your chingaderas. And try to put chairs. We're supposed to have 2. There's one over here. So let's put the stuff inside the bag. Ginger! Did you like your ham and egg? And Vienna sausage? Happy tummy now? We have some, what is this? The potato? Pot pie, chicken, whatever stuff. And the noodles. But I think I got sick of eating noodles now. No, I'm signing off. It's cold. So here it's almost done. I don't know what else we're gonna do. We have that easy up, and our firewood is here. We have 2 chairs, fixing the chimney, yeah. And we have a hammock here. Oh, we have the biggest campsite. Wow, beautiful, huh? So let's
Put it up. I only used 3 of the
3?
pipes.
Oh.
But I got to thinking about it. It's like, you know what? If I put the 4th pipe up, that puts the spark arrestor a little bit higher.
Yeah.
So any sparks that go up will have more time.
Okay. There's our. It's almost Done our little house for 2 days. It's a bed on our chimney. We have our table here and a collar. This is our chimney at the back of our tent. That's our tent for okay. At least it's clear. Look at the pine trees and the clouds. It's cloudy day. And Ginger in the hammock. Ah, are you gonna ride the hammock, my love? You're gonna swim, I mean. Are you ready? Okay. Come on. Come, mommy. Come. Are you tangled? Ginger. Oh. Come on, come on. You're tangled. Oh, there's... Who is this girl? The elf girl? The cold girl. Oh, poor girl. So, we have a little lantern on the top and our little chimney. We can make pizza on the top, or coffee. We should bring the little
teapot?
Yeah, the teapot. There. It's cold. See, I have my jacket. Say good morning. Good morning, my love. She's cold. What's in the cooking? Bacon. So today is Saturday. Sun is up. Last night our neighbor so loud. 2:30 they're playing a music. Ginger, you want some eggs? We're cooking eggs next because Ginger can smell the potato. Huh? And you don't like potatoes.
I think I'll do the biscuits.
Last is the corned beef hash. Yummy, that's yummy, Ginger, huh? Yuck, I don't like it. Our breakfast for today, and we have leftover salad. Boo.
Bang.
And Ginger over there chilling, sunbathing. So let's eat. The biscuit's so good. Yummy. Say hi everybody, I'm here. Where's Ginger? Sleeping. Thank you for the fire, Daddy.
So are you
Huh?
all done out here?
Yes, my love. Oh my God, she changed position now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's unfair. That's mommy. Say hello everybody. I'm cold. We're inside the tent. It's too cold. And we have our chimney. Chimney, yeah.